If you're searching for a reliable, performance-driven gaming desktop that won't break the bank, the SAAV X1 Prebuilt Gaming PC might just be your perfect match. Built to handle popular titles with ease and wrapped in a sleek, modern design, this gaming rig offers a surprising amount of power, efficiency, and versatility, all in one ready-to-use package. Let's start with the core of the system, the processor. The SAAV X1 comes equipped with a 3.4 GHz Intel Core i5 CPU, which provides the perfect balance between power and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, browsing, or even doing some light content creation, this processor keeps things running smoothly. It's a tried-and-tested CPU that has proven itself in countless mid-tier gaming and productivity builds. You'll notice a snappy response when launching games, streaming videos, or switching between tabs and applications. Now, paired with that processor is 16 GB of RAM, which is more than enough for most modern games and general use. This amount of memory allows for seamless gameplay, smooth multitasking, and reduced lag. Whether you're running background applications like Discord or Spotify while gaming, or editing documents while streaming YouTube. It's not just a number. It's the difference between stuttered frame drops and fluid performance. The graphics card is the GeForce GTX 750 with 2 GB of GDDR5 memory. While it may not be the latest GPU on the market, it's still capable of delivering 1080p gaming performance in many popular games like Fortnite, GTA 5, League of Legends, Roblox, Valorant, and even Call of Duty Warzone on adjusted settings. For casual gamers or those getting into the world of PC gaming, this card holds its ground well, delivering respectable visuals and frame rates in competitive and online titles. Next up, storage. This PC includes a 512 GB NVMe SSD, which is a major upgrade from traditional hard drives or even older SSDs. NVMe drives offer lightning-fast load times, allowing games, apps, and the Windows operating system to launch in just seconds. You'll spend less time on loading screens and more time playing. With 512 GB of space, you'll be able to install several major games, apps, and files with room to spare. The SAAV X1 also comes loaded with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, ensuring faster, more stable connections whether you're online gaming, streaming 4K content, or connecting wireless peripherals like controllers and headsets. You won't need to worry about lag or drop signals, especially important for competitive gaming or working from home. Another standout feature of this pre-built gaming PC is the RGB lighting system. The tower includes customizable RGB accents that let you personalize your setup to match your mood or style. Whether you're building a themed gaming station or just want some added flair during late-night sessions, the lighting adds a modern and fun touch. And the included RGB gaming keyboard and mouse round out the setup nicely, giving you everything you need right out of the box. Let's talk about ease of use. Because the SAAV X1 is pre-built, you don't need to deal with the stress of putting components together or installing an operating system. It comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed, meaning you can literally plug it in, turn it on, and start gaming. That's it. No hassle, no setup headaches, just pure plug-and-play convenience. And finally, the warranty. The SAAV X1 comes with a 1-year warranty included at no extra cost, giving you peace of mind. This warranty covers hardware issues and gives you access to customer support that's ready to assist if needed. For first-time buyers or parents purchasing a gaming PC for their kids, this level of support and assurance is a big plus. In conclusion, the SAAV X1 pre-built gaming PC is an excellent entry to mid-level desktop that delivers great value for its price. It's ideal for casual gamers, students, remote workers, and even streamers who are just getting started. With a strong processor, decent graphics card, fast storage, and solid RAM, this system checks all the right boxes. Plus, the included accessories, modern features like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, and a sleek RGB design make it a complete solution for anyone wanting to jump into the world of PC gaming or productivity. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just working from home, the SAAV X1 gives you performance, convenience, and style, all without the overwhelming price tag. If you're looking for a capable and reliable gaming PC to start your journey or upgrade from an older system, this is a smart choice.